Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today, guess what I made for the very first time? Peach Cobbler Cheesecake. Look at that. So I just thought I'd share it with you. This is my very first time, and it wasn't bad at all. So now I will be uploading. I'll be making one with you step by step, but I just thought I'd share this one with you. Already made. Look at that. Oh, that's the first slice, and that's for you. Look at it. That is for you, my YouTube family. Oh, this looks good. This is not bad for the first time, and it was delicious. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.